I couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex, but voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is there somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it all. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady,
I
nice.
just want water, right?
Sure, I'll drink and drink.
Your branches are dry for
Don't
me.
need no glass or no
I'm in the
ice.
kitchen.
Don't need no tricks of the line. And now it's supper time. Rah, rah. Oh, relax, sweetheart. It'll be easier. Come on, join your addicted friend and push it. They're right inside. Rah, 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 rah.
Are you okay?
Yes. No.
Oh, no. Audrey, please come back on me. I need you, Audrey.
You know, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Horrid and Yustamushnik were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
Yeah, I've done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Oh, Audrey, you don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You wash my